In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can buy multiple products in one time on Amazon. So that way you can receive your shipments in just one package. So you can add to cart multiple products, and then you will receive all these products in just one shipment. So that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video, and I'm going to show you how you can add your products and the eligible products that can be shipped in just one shipment. I'm going to show you how you can add these products to cart. Now let's get started right now. So first thing, you want to search on Amazon for the product you want to purchase. By the way, you can do the exact same steps on your Amazon app inside your phone. Just search for the product you want to purchase. For example, I'm interested for like AirPods, for example. Now after you search for the product you want to purchase, as you see here this button, this yellow button, add to cart. But we don't want to do that because you can only add these to cart, and when you add like many products to cart, then you can pay for them at once and then you can get them shipped, but it's not guaranteed that you will receive all these products in just one shipment. Okay, that's the problem. So what you need to do is, of course there is like a feature on Amazon. Sometimes they display something like get them shipped in just one shipment when you add many products to cart on Amazon, but it doesn't always work, so it's not guaranteed to work. Okay, so what you need to do is you want to scroll down, and what you need to do is you want to keep scrolling and search here for seller. In their seller, you will be able to see here. Let's just keep scrolling, okay, and you want to search here for seller, and then you want to select here Amazon.com. okay, and after you select Amazon.com, then what you need to do is you want to add as many products as you want now to cart. Of course, it's not guaranteed that you will receive all of these in just one shipment, but you have a higher chance if you select Amazon.com, okay, because now it's Amazon like will take care of it, so you can save on shipping prices, and also you can get this faster because they will ship all the products at once. Okay, I'm going to add as many products as possible, so I have added now 5 products. Now if you go now to cart here, now you can select all of these products. Now I have selected all the products, and as you can see, what you need to do is you want to click on processed to checkout. Okay, so after that you want to select here the address. Make sure you select the correct address here, and then select deliver to this address, and then you want to place the order. Okay, just pay for the orders, and then you will get them shipped in just one shipment, but also it's not guaranteed 100%, by the way. Okay, so yeah, hopefully this tutorial helped you. I tried my best to find more information about this, so please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated.